Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix disappeared files and folders in Windows 11, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's start. First thing is to go to recycle bin and look there the files and folders that you want to recover, or you can just search it on the right side corner. If you still didn't able to find that, then just go and open up your file explorer, and beside the view section there will be three dots, and just click on it, click on options and click view. Under hidden files and folders, just click show hidden files, folders and drives, and that specific folder will be visible on your desktop homepage. If that doesn't work, then you may have to go to your search button and just type in Windows Security. If you are using a third-party antivirus, then you may have to click on that and click on protection history. From the quarantine, there will be messages that you will have to click and just remove those one. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.